Welcome to AliExpress, your one-stop destination for an incredible variety of products from all around the world. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace where you can find almost anything you need, from the latest gadgets to trendy fashion, and from home essentials to unique gifts. It's all here. You can find almost anything there. Whether you're looking for clothes, electronics, toys, or even niche items, AliExpress has got you covered. Clothes, electronics, toys, and more. The variety is endless and the options are vast. You can explore different categories and discover new products every day. It's known for having really good prices. With frequent sales, discounts, and promotions, you can always find a great deal on AliExpress. One thing that makes AliExpress different is that the sellers are often from other countries. This global marketplace connects you with sellers from all over the world, bringing you unique products and competitive prices. This can mean even lower prices for you. By buying directly from international sellers, you can often find products at a fraction of the cost compared to local stores. But it's important to shop smart and find the best deals. With so many options available, taking the time to compare prices, read reviews, and use filters can help you make the best purchase decisions. That's what we'll help you do in this guide. We'll provide you with tips and tricks to navigate AliExpress efficiently and find the best deals. We'll show you how to navigate AliExpress and get the best bang for your buck. From searching for products to understanding seller ratings, we've got you covered. Ready to become a savvy AliExpress shopper? Let's get started. Follow along and soon you'll be shopping like a pro, finding the best deals and enjoying your shopping experience on AliExpress. We all work hard for our money. Every dollar earned represents our time, effort, and dedication. It's essential to make the most out of it. Stretching your budget is important. By being mindful of our spending, we can ensure that our hard-earned money goes further, allowing us to enjoy more of life's pleasures. Finding good prices means you can get more of what you need and want. It allows you to purchase a variety of items without breaking the bank, enhancing your overall shopping experience. On AliExpress, you might find things much cheaper than in regular stores. This platform offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, making it a go-to for savvy shoppers. This is especially true for things like phone accessories, where you can find a variety of options at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional retail stores, clothing, or home goods. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends or essentials for your home, AliExpress has you covered with affordable choices. But remember, not all sellers offer the same price. It's important to take the time to compare different listings to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. That's why it's crucial to compare and find the best deals. By doing so, you can maximize your savings and make informed purchasing decisions, ensuring you get the most out of every shopping experience. AliExpress is super popular. Millions of people shop there every day. It has over 100 million products for sale. Think about that for a second. 100 million. You can find just about anything on AliExpress. With so many choices, finding the best prices is a must. Don't get overwhelmed by the huge selection. We'll show you simple steps to find what you need at the right price. Section 4. Become a price-savvy shopper. Comparing prices on AliExpress is easy and can save you a lot of money. First, search for the item you want. It's simple and straightforward. Let's say you're looking for headphones. Type headphones into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see tons of headphones. Look at the prices and the variety available. You'll notice a wide range of prices. Make sure to compare them. Pay attention to the shipping costs too. It's an important factor. Sometimes a lower price might mean higher shipping. Always check the total cost. Click on a few listings that look interesting. Read the descriptions carefully to understand what you're getting. This helps you compare the products and find the best value. Don't rush. Take your time to make an informed decision. Once you've found the best deal, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Happy shopping. Section 5. Finding trustworthy sellers. Not all sellers on AliExpress are created equal. Some are more reliable than others. Look for sellers with good ratings. You'll see stars and numbers next to a seller's name. More stars and higher numbers mean other buyers had good experiences. Also, take time to read reviews from other customers. This gives you insights into the product's quality and the seller's service. Section 6. Your path to AliExpress savings. You're now equipped to conquer AliExpress and find amazing prices. Remember to compare different sellers and look at more than just the price. Check shipping costs, read product descriptions, and choose sellers with good ratings. Being a smart shopper on AliExpress helps you save money. Now go explore AliExpress and find those incredible deals.